Hello friends, welcome back on SMTV. So friends, it is a very special day for me, and I just want to inform you that today I got vaccinated, and me and my whole family that has taken a vaccination of the first dose. And it across the country there is lots of people, they are not intention on it, and they are just avoiding it, so for those people I am just giving the suggestion that take a vaccination. When this vaccination campaign is started, there is lots of rumor happened to this country, and lots of people, they are making a mind, they are trying to make a conspiracy again, circulate the wrong message into this country that so many people they are dying, and so many people they get sick, and they are affecting on his health. So in the beginning of the vaccination, the teams came to our village, and lots of people, lots of villagers, they don't agree to take the vaccination, and they run away from there, and this time crowd gathered, and making a queue, and wasting his time. So right now the peoples are really regret about those days, because those moment vaccination teams came into our place, and they are forcing us, they are requesting us to take a vaccine, but we don't agree and we don't take it. We all time, we are paying a price, we are making a queue, we are suffering from lot of crowd, and today it is the first dose of the vaccination, and after 3 months it will be a second dose of vaccination. So in a first dose, my family, they are so scared, but finally we take it, and we are really in pressure that we got sick, and we got fever or something else, but I think we are lucky for that. So previously, a lot of people, they are talking about, they are ignoring this vaccination, and right nowadays this time, everyone, people, they are finding a location of the vaccination. So I think it is safe, secure and convenient to your health, and it is a just immunity booster. It is just giving you empowerment to your health, and the kind of vaccine that that is always gives you power and protect from the disease as per the guideline issued by the government. Put your mask, and sanitize your hands, and avoid the crowd. This is all keep away from your dangerous pandemic of COVID-19. So I think this is the best way to away from that disease, and I recommend those people, they are scared from this vaccine. It is giving you protection to your body, so it is not harm to your body. Third wave is also about to come, so we have to get ready for this, and take a vaccine, and anybody cannot remain from this vaccination, and they must take it, and it is a bigger advantages to you, and this makes you safe to your documents, safe to your travel, safe to your banking needs, and everything. You can got it very easily. But I think if you don't take it, if you ignore this vaccination, this really makes you unhappy, and they makes a trouble into your documents. The peoples are do not aware about that, and they take a vaccination, and I think they got some effect of the vaccine. So I think nowadays peoples are really active, and they are taking it seriously. And some of my family, they get affected from this vaccine, and they get a fever, and next days it is almost end. So I think it doesn't harm you, it doesn't affect your health and bodies. I think it is boosting your empowerment, boosting your immunity power. And one more thing I tell you, my friend, don't take it lightly to the COVID-19 disease. This pandemic, it is ends lots of millions of the peoples in the world, and this pandemic, it is very dangerous, and third wave is about to come. So we has to ready for that, and take the vaccine at the right time, and use the mask, and and the hand sanitizing all the time, and keep away from the convocation, away from the crowd. This is the only way that can that you can save yourself, that you can save your family, you know. So my friend, if you don't think about yourself, it means that you don't think about your family, because follow the guidelines, follow the rules and the regulation. And I'm just giving you a small message to all of you that how much this vaccine is important to us, you know. So many people, they are ignoring it. So guys, it is a small message I'm giving to the people. So I hope you like it, and stay safe and stay healthy, and think about it seriously. So guys, one more thing I tell you, if you have any suggestions regarding my speech, regarding my thought and concept, you know, you can comment in my comment box, and so that can I improve myself. And you can suggest me about the content, you know. If you give me a suggestions to make a video on this content, definitely I'm going to make it. So give me a support, give me a suggestion. And you know, still you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and give me a time to work out. And thank you very much. That's all for today. So thank you very much. Stay with us and have a nice day and have a great time.